Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see right here, I'm holding a brand new router I just bought, and you can see right here CAT4 category 4 4G router I bought brand new. And guys, in this video guys, I'll be showing you guys three things. The first one is I'll be doing the unboxing of this router so that we'll see what's inside the router. Then secondly, I'll be taking you guys and showing you guys how you can set up this router so that you can connect to your phone, to your laptop, or how you can connect to light and connect to your laptop. And thirdly, I'll show you guys how you can configure this router by logging into your admin portal or page and changing your Wi-Fi password, also changing your admin page password. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump right in. Okay guys, now let's do the unboxing proper of this router. Now before I start, I bought this router for 25,000 naira, though prices can differ depending on the MTN office you bought it or at where you bought yours. So you can see brand new CAT4 router. Let's see the body first of all. This is how the body looks. You can see. Can see, right? So let's unbox it now. So to unbox it, you can see, hold it from here. So if you get it, it comes with a SIM card. Where you are buying it, they will have your SIM card registered. And if your SIM card is registered and you recharge the SIM card, they will activate it and you will be given 60 gig startup bonus. Like for this SIM card has registered, and right now I have 60 gig startup bonus for this router. So you can see. Here's the SIM card manual. So every router comes with a SIM card on it. Okay. Right here is UPS. You can see it's like power supply box. It's like a power bank. So the router doesn't have battery here. So the UPS is like the external battery you connect to the router. In case you haven't used router before, it comes with a UPS, unlike my files that come with batteries inside. So this is how the UPS looks like. You can see. So don't worry, I will show you later how you can connect the UPS to the router, also how you can use it. And right here is the router proper. Sorry, my voice is bad, it's cracking. It comes with Ethernet cable. You can see. Later I will show you. Right here is the router manual, what the guide that will guide you on how you can configure or you can set up your router. You can just take your time and go through the manual. Here is the charger. And this router comes with Ethernet cable. And funny enough, I never knew. Yesterday I went and bought another cable differently without knowing that this comes with Ethernet cable. So I have two Ethernet cables right now. You can see. So right now we have done the unboxing. Now how do you connect your router Now let me show you guys. If you buy your router newly, now how do you connect or how do you set up your router and connect to your phone or your laptop? Guys, please, my voice is cracking so it can't come out very well, okay? Now, to set up your router, you can see this how it stands. Let me draw this box away. You can see, right? So these feathers, you bring them this way. So you can bring your SIM card. You can see the SIM card. So you can pull it to the nano inside. And to slot the SIM card inside, here's a SIM slot at the bottom. You can see. And you bring the SIM card this way. You can see. And slot right here. And use your finger to drag it inside. Here, quick. You can see. You can see. So here's the UPS or the external battery or power bank. So this UPS, this cable here goes to the Wi-Fi right here. Here's power supply. You can see if I connect it, this indicator light shows this power light. You can see here power light shows. You can see. So yes, power button is where you press here to get your router on. But first of all, if you buy it, make sure you charge this first with your charger. So if you connect this to router, then you bring your charger. You plug your charger to the wall socket or to extension, and then bring this cable right here and then plug to the UPS or the power bank right here. You can see. So you can see that the charger goes to the wall socket or extension. Then you plug it at the UPS. Then you take the UPS cable and plug it here to the router to supply power to your router. So if you buy it newly, make sure you charge this power bank first. You can see once you plug your charger on the socket, you will see an indicator red light here. Battery light means it's charging. All this light, all these indicators will show you the charging processes. Okay. So if it's charging, then to on it, then come to the power button here, press and hold it. You can see if I press and hold it, this light indicator, power light, you can see it's on. After some times, all this Wi-Fi light and internet light will be on too. Let's wait and see. You can see the network light is on and the Wi-Fi light is on. Though the network light is showing red, means there's no internet. Yes, in my room I have, or in my place, in my apartment where I live, I have very bad network. If I stay inside my room or my parlor, no network at all. So like for me that I have a Wi-Fi, I usually hang my Wi-Fi at the compound so that I can get network in my house. You can see it's showing no network because I'm inside my room. Network inside my room is terrible. It's extremely bad. But if I shift to my parlor, there will be some network. So it's showing red. Red means no network. But if this light is showing white or green, means there's internet access. You can see. So if you on it this way, then you can then connect your laptop or your phone. Now let me show you my phone. So if you on it and the whole lights are showing white internet access, you can bring your phone or laptop and swipe this way and go and tap on Wi-Fi. You can tap and hold it and go to the setup, and right here is the router name. Here is the SSID. SSID means your router name. This is it. If I tap on it, they will ask for password. And now how do I get password to log in? To get password, here, right here on the router, here at the bottom here, you will see the password. You can see Wi-Fi SSID is the name, which is MTN 4G A7CB4F. Look at it here. MTN 4G A7CB4F. That's the SSID. So now the password, you can see Wi-Fi key. Here is a password to log in. If I enter this password here, I'll be logging. You can see the password. You can see 6Z KW6 25337 25337. I can see it. Here is it. I can tap on connect. It's connecting. You can see obtaining IP address. You can see here connected, but no internet, as I said earlier, because in my room I have very bad or terribly bad network. And you can see that on the router here, this internet indicator is showing red, so it means there's no internet, but it is connected. With this, I can log in into my admin page or portal. So guys, now let's go. Let me show you how you can log in into the admin portal and do configurations by changing your Wi-Fi password or also changing your admin login portal password. So right now I have finished the stage 1 and stage 2. Now let's go to stage 3, whereby we'll log in into the admin portal. Let's get in. Okay, now guys, if you're done with your setup, you have connected your router to light, to power supply, and then also insert your SIM card. Then after inserting your SIM card, then come to your computer or phone to log into the admin portal. You can use your phone or laptop, but laptop is easier. So come on your laptop and tap on the network area, and you see right here is my router name. So it's also called SSID. Tap on it, tap on connect, and it will ask for password. You can get the password at the bottom of the router. You can find it, and you will see the Wi-Fi key. That's the password. So come here and put the Wi-Fi key. If you put it, you can tap and look it and tap on next to connect. You can see that I have been connected, secure. You can see right now. So I said if you buy newly, and they will configure or activate the 60 gig free bonus for you. So okay, so you can come into your browser and tap on it and come here and enter this IP address to log in. Also, you can get this IP address on the bottom of the router. The IP address, you will see URL. You can see, you can enter the IP address 192.168.0.1. If you enter the IP address while you're connected to the router, enter. If you enter, you can see to bring this to login, and the password is admin. You can also find the password at the bottom of the router, written there admin, all in small letter. I will enter admin. Tap on proceed. You can see if you proceed, if you log into the admin portal properly, I can see that right now I have logged into my admin portal. And if you log in for the first time, you see this pop-up. If you want to change your login password or your Wi-Fi password, you can just go here and change them immediately. If you want to skip, you can skip right here and do them later. So as I say, if you log in for the first time, this pop-up will show right here is login password. Initially we put admin, so you can come here and put admin as current one. Come here and put your own password, and come here and confirm your own password and tap on apply, and you will change it. But for me, I won't change it right now. Okay, so I will cancel them. Also, your Wi-Fi password that is long, you can come here, look at this one here, you can come right here and change, cancel this one and put your own Wi-Fi password. Also, you can come here and change your Wi-Fi name to your own things. But for now, I will skip it, so and do later. Come here and tap on skip. So it means I haven't changed it yet because I want to do it later. So here is my dashboard. So guys, you can take time and study your dashboard. You can go on these advanced settings and do other configurations and setup. So guys, you can see that is it. Thanks for watching and bye.